Today we're going to take a look at the Kenmore 158 1212 180 sewing machine. This is a nice free arm zigzag sewing machine. It's pretty much a basic but does great job. Easy to use. 15 looks like 15 type bobbin. Here we're going to start doing some stitching with it. Put it through its paces, different things, short, long stitches, zigzag, short, long. And as you can hear, very good sounding machine. Very nice stitching machine. Solid all the way through. It is made in Taiwan, but from a review I read on this, it's a healthy, long-lasting machine, and it'll do your stitching of whatever kind you need. There you can see some stitching. Did a little bit closer stitching on the zigzag, and a little bit longer. Just a great machine. Solid Kenmore. Easy to use. Make anybody a wonderful machine. This machine is for sale on eBay, so check out the link. Go check it out on eBay. Here we go. We're going through all its paces. I shortened everything up so you didn't have to see all the boring stuff of me resetting stuff and turning the cloth. That's the other reason why I jump in here and then being smooth. But great machine. We're coming up. We're going to see some more pictures of the machine, or actually a movie of the machine. Okay, there's all the stitching we did with it. Great stitches, front and back. Easy to use this machine. It'll make a nice first machine, or it'll make a nice machine that you just want to use for everything. Making dresses, blouses, whatever. Easy, intermediate, beginner. There we see the machine, the Kenmore. And we're going to see a few of the features here. There's a reverse switch. You just push it down while you're going, and the on and off light switch and machine switch. Stitch length indicator and changer. There's the width for your zigzag. Very nice, clean machine. Looks like it's been lightly used over the years. Stitch indicator. So check it out on eBay. It's been fun showing you this machine.